Okay, it's a short video showing the cold start of the ME221 on a 1.8 Mark 1 1800 Turbo MX5. So we'll give that a try for now. And there we go, starts up perfect. As you can see, coolant temperature's right down.